So I wanted to give a fast update on my grow tent. This is the Vivosun 5x5 grow tent, and I got the duct inlet fan installed, and it came with the control, but I'm going to show you guys on the inside right now how it's all set up. So you can see I have the duct fan coming here, going through here, and I attached it up on the top. I'll grab it there. I attached it up on the top there, on the beam. These cables came with it. I think this strap came with the tent itself, and then I ran it through here, and then these were separate, so I had to order the carbon filter and this also. These were all sold separately, so I had to order them together. And you could see my grow lights right there. I have two more right here and my fan set up. But there's a feature I wanted to show about this grow tent in particular. It's not blinking right now, it's just how it's showing on the camera. But what I wanted to explain with this control in particular, if you had the Vivosun grow light and then they have the fans, that's the duct fan. But they have fans like those little small one over there. It all works off this control system, and then you just control it off your phone. So for example, that's connected to here. So if I wanted to turn it on, I have it on manual right now, you could see, and it's on off. If I wanted to turn up the speed, give me a sec there. Let me turn up my phone light. You could hear, I don't know if you could hear it, it just turned on. Let me turn it up to the maximum. And that's the duct fan going right now, that you see there. And if I wanted to turn it down, so you could see the features. It's a little bit blurry. They have manual, cycle, auto, and recipe. So I don't have it set up right now to any feature in particular because I'm just setting up everything. But one thing I would say, I might get one of the fans just to attach to the control system, because I seen the fan had some nice feature. So that's something I think I'm gonna get and then add to it. But this is not a Vivosun grow light or the fans, it's just the duct fan is connected. But that's some of the updates so far. If you enjoy the content and want to still see more updates, remember to drop a like on the video. And one more thing I wanted to show while I was in here. This is a timer. So if you didn't want to go with the control panel setup and all of that, you could go with just a timer where you just have it set and programmed to when you want everything to kind of turn on and off. And that's another way to go. But I just wanted to show some updates and show you guys what it's looking like so far. I can't wait to start putting in all the plants, but I wanted to install everything first because I had to rearrange some stuff, but now everything's looking good. Oh, I didn't know you were recording. Come closer. But that's the progress update so far, guys. So if you enjoy the content, remember to drop a like on the video. And until next time, take care. I'm gonna step out this greenhouse and close it up.